Okay, I'm seeing the smoke and stuff. Starting to, okay, I just wanted to make sure it actually sees the flame. So sometimes I know in daylight it has a hard time. The cameras have a hard time picking up fire. You didn't put any kind of propellant on this?
No, when I tested the wood earlier, it burned for the stone. Then it went out.
You just turned it off, yeah. Does it want to roll upside down? Are you doing one of them at a time?
I have a bucket of water to get the pool fire.
Or elevate it and start a fire underneath it and let the fire just come from underneath and start pulsing it.
I need the structure of the drawer to still be
Yeah, it's uncertain.
Dad, don't do that! You're in the video! Dad, oh my God!
This is her art. This is what you
serious?
needed.
Don't touch it!
Jess, can I touch it?
No! Dad, don't touch anything!
The video, what are you doing? It's supposed to...
Dad, I have one chance to do this. Please don't do that.
Yeah, do you want it stood up?
No.
That's what you want? You want that in there?
Steve, you want to pour water on that side,
All that's good?
Steve, there's a bucket of water right here. Where are you going?
I was going to be just heading on the hose.
Just pour the water on it. It's fine.
It's going to
just do it.
destroy everything. Just
pour it. Right, just pour it on top of it. Just tell me what it's my piece.
I like this. Still burning the table a little bit.
Carpet isn't burning. Whatever.
But I'm pretty sure we'll start doing it.
Yeah.